Hi, I'm Rock, brand manager for Lanakai, and today we're going to talk about our multi-string instruments. We get a lot of questions about multi-strings and what's different about them. So I'm going to walk you through kind of what's going on, and then later on there'll be a series of videos that you can watch and see the differences and hear the differences for yourself. First, we'll look at the 4-string. The 4-string is GCEA tuning. In fact, all of the tuning on these is GCEA. So whatever you know on this 4-string can be applied to all of the multi-string instruments we have here. So the traditional, all right, so this is the high string here. So we go to our 5-string and we've added a low string on the octave G. So where that would normally be high, we have a low one. But we also have the high G as well. So we have kind of doubled the G here, and the low is on the outside. So that gives it an entirely different tone. And again, you'll see that in the following series of videos. Then moving on to the 6-string version, again the same tuning, but with the high octave here on the C string, and a very low wound string here, which is an octave lower on the A string. So that adds a thickness and a warmth that a lot of singer-songwriters like for their background as well. We'll listen to that a little later on. And then finally our 8-string model. The 8-string model has octave, octave, and then unison, unison, but everything is doubled. That gives a certain richness, and you'll hear the differences there. So that's our kind of our grouping of all of our multi-string instruments, and they apply differently to different styles of music. So in our next series, we're going to go through kind of playing each one of them so that you can hear what they sound like and compare based on the style of instrumentation that you might need for your recordings.